Uh, Good night almost. It's time. It's 11:50 and we are back again with another episode of the River Sweep podcast. And today, after the first qualifiers, we have a great panel in here. We have Siddharth T, the biggest DC fan who came out of cave and again going into the cave. And then we have Ishwar, who who has been hoping for that Dhoni master class since last 3 years, and it finally happened. And you can make it out from his smile that he's way too happy today. I don't think so. He'll be getting any sleep. He'll be rewatching that highlights for another 5 years because this day won't come back ever again. So that is there. So and then we
And
have
then you
our
have happy RCB and KKR fans who know that it is
fans.
not their day to cry today.
But tomorrow one of
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता मुझे तो केकेआर जीते हारे टॉप 4 में आ गए बहुत बड़ी बात है मैं तो उसी से खुश हुआ ही
ये देखो यही होता है मीडियोकर टीम्स की मीडियोकर एक्सपेक्टेशंस गाइस आप
मीडिया
देख सकते
बड़ी टीम की एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है कि भाई 170 रन से जीत जाएं किसी तरह सामने वाले 30 पे ऑल आउट हो जाएं ये बड़ी टीम की एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है
वो सब ठीक है पर हाँ जैसे कि लास्ट टाइम गाइस वी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट who will be the top 4 and like everyone predicted KKR, RCB, CSK.
You predicted Mumbai to win, brother.
I predicted outside.
Only Malay and me were the ones who predicted at the start of IPL that Mumbai
Yes.
Indians will not be in top 4. Only Malay and me said it.
जाके देखो रिकॉर्ड में हम दोनों ने बोला था उस दिन
वो एपिसोड नंबर
नॉट मेक
वो एपिसोड नंबर 2 था और अभी एपिसोड नंबर 40 और कोहली is still at 71.
Real progress is here.
So we are at a good speed. But yeah, guys. So today what we'll be doing is let's discuss. Let's get some fresh thoughts from first the losing fan here, City, on what actually went wrong. Because I think 173 was a pretty good score batting first. They did a pretty good job, and with DC's bowling, I think DC were the favorites of the first inning to win the match. But what do you think went wrong for DC, Siddharth?
I think obviously giving the last over to somebody who has a IPL career economy rate of 11. Life that's like ek din pe hota, that's a bad day. The guy has a career economy rate as a foreigner of 11 over somebody who's had a bad season but still taken an average of 25 wickets in the last 3 seasons. It's like, I think that is an offense that should get Pant sacked on the spot. Like, I don't know what logic went behind that move. You know, Dhoni is batting. Dhoni struggles against hard length, against short balls, and Dhoni is good against those slower ball merchants.
But didn't Dhoni hit a 6 in almost a short ballish length?
आवेश खान था ना, वो भी वैसा ही है.
रबाडा और आवेश में
फर्क है भाई.
मतलब
if you actually
no, but do you think it was Pant's sole decision to give to Tom Curran? Because I think
I thought Curran was bowled well. उसका नहीं होता तो he would have said V ना.
But I used to think like Pant was an acting captain while here and
acting captain that like this was something that transpired on the field. Now like plan A you can plan off the field, but this was like a heat of the moment, like change हो गया.
So, a moment of silence for City. His captain does not follow plans and his football team's coach does not make plans. Wow.
But in isolation, we have to blame the coaching staff as well for this, because I think Pant being a young captain, do you think that coaching staff, Ricky Ponting or everyone involved should have made sure in such a decision that the leadership group, like you have Dhawan, you have Ashwin, you have
they could have sent like a message on the field. I saw Ishant Sharma come on the field after the first ball Curran bowled. So Ponting did give a message.
Mini over. I think कह रहा था mini over कर लेते हैं. India वाला logic लगा के.
तो कोई concussion वगैरह करवा दो कि यार कर ले. But like, I think.
So apart from the last over, do you think they missed the trick somewhere in the starting early power play?
Sending Akshar at 4 also did not make a lot of sense. Like 10 ball wo waste hi kar gaye. Pant got that 10 balls. He would have also scored 10 runs at worst, and at best he could have utilized that at the end better. So that call I also disagreed with. एक पता नहीं अश्विन को specialist fielder बन गया है वो. What has happened to him? I don't know. He's supposed to be India's premier off spinner. Maybe our Ashwin, resident Ashwin fan can tell us more about that. But I think like it was a pretty close game, and like Dhoni hitting 18 or 6, like Rabada bowling karta, probably wouldn't have happened. I think just like one or two wrong calls here and there. And Pant were, I think he faced 3 dot balls in the last over as well, first 3 balls. So वो भी अगर 2-3 run extra आ जाते, maybe different.
Good point. Good observation.
Yep. But Pant, I think looking at what his IPL strike rate was this season, he played a pretty good innings at a
Overall,
crucial.
he played well, I would
at
say.
a-
But
at-
yeah, last over में थोड़ा you would expect more from Pant.
Yeah, he should have taken doubles at least, or given Tom Curran the strike. I mean, Tom Curran is known to bat.
एक अलग से घुमा देता.
Good. So anyways, I think BC has still one more game they'll play, but they are at Sharjah now, not at Dubai. So let's move on to the happiest person today for a day. Let him enjoy. Ishwar, what are your thoughts like? How happy are you?
Dolo Ashwin.
Really pretty happy with the way we played today, especially coming after 3 losses. Everyone had their doubts, like, again, is the old Chennai coming back or whatever. Today, especially looking at Dhoni finish it is like a dream come true for many of us Chennai fans. But I just want to focus on.
I think Dhoni winning it is a dream for all Indian fans, not just Chennai fans. Like,
No,
I mean-
not some Indians.
yeah, but
Not every
I
Indian.
mean,
Anyways, I just want to stress on one more player here, and that is Ruturaj Gaikwad, and how consistent he has been throughout. And even today, I would just like to mention one shot throughout his whole innings, which explained how clear he was in his mind. There was a way over high full toss ball by Andrik Notia. Any other batter would have just swung wildly at it, but this guy calmly just guided into the gap and got 4 runs. Every one of us watching were like, hey, what a easy full toss miss. But he simply guided it and got 4 runs. So that's the presence of mind needed in run chasers like this. And that is what we need in someone who we are looking at for the future. And this will especially boost his confidence because the opposition had very good fast bowlers at the start, and he was struggling against them in the last 2-3 matches. So
No, they
I
didn't
think-
ball short balls to him. That's why he didn't struggle.
that is also there.
yeah, that was actually pointed out. Okay, so
Yeah.
I mean, I think Graham Swan said it in the commentary that
But still,
Delhi bowlers played the
Last
plan
match,
badly.
somebody bowled a short ball at him.
No, he has been getting out to short balls like
Arshdeep,
3 to
it
4
was
times.
Arshdeep. It was Arshdeep last match.
Yeah.
So if
Faithful
RCB's bowlers are, I mean, if DC's bowlers are not bowling short, I mean, it was Pant's duty to go and remind the bowlers that why.
Especially
are
when
you
you have
attacking
two
the
140, 150.
Exactly, 140
Exactly.
paces.
ऐसा भी नहीं है कि नहीं.
Yeah, this is good for Ruturaj because he would take a lot of confidence from it. It's not his fault that the bowlers didn't.
So I was hearing Dhoni's post-match conference, and what he was telling. Harsha Bhogle asked him about Gaikwad. So what he told was he's someone who is very keen to learn things. So he told that a game before where he got his century, he batted for 20 overs. Day before that in the nets, or maybe 2 days before in the nets, they were having a chat, Dhoni and Gaikwad. And Dhoni just told him that openers are not just meant to bat for 10 overs, 12 overs. You should always look to, openers should always look to play like 18, 20 overs also. So Dhoni was very happy on how he took that learning.
This is Wasim Akram Indian version.
Master class. And Dhoni
but
even
yeah.
said that last season we didn't qualify, but like last 3-4 games we like
Made
we
a
planned that
blueprint.
our batsmen
Yeah.
get the most out of those and practice and see for next season, and
So yeah.
that's why we are bounced back. So I guess Dhoni was planning.
So coming to where we have started the Dhoni topic, I would ask Malay to share his thoughts. Like everyone, when mega auction or whatever auction happened 3-4 years ago, everyone were like very skeptical about what squad CSK has, because they didn't have any big T20 names in there. You could have good players, but not like big T20 players, or they made a team, but that was consistent team. But what do you think? Like Dhoni has played the role in this team to make sure that they reach the finals after the disappointing season last. So do you think Dhoni has a say in how he groomed his team or how he operates? What are the takeaways?
Of
do you
course,
think?
of course. See, CSK were down and out, banned from IPL for 2 years. Dhoni was playing for RPSG, and then he came back and then took them to the title, even with a very not that appropriate team or not that T20 winners ki team. Shane Watson was at the end of his career. Faf du Plessis, I mean, you never know. Raidu was the key guy who was out of nowhere, started coming. He opened, I think, that season as well.
And scored 650 runs.
Yeah, and then in that first season they were actually moved away from their hometown, from Chennai after 1 or 2 games to Pune. So a lot has happened. Then in the next season again they reached the final. They should have won the final. Some fixing or something happened. They didn't win it. They should have won the final anyway. 1 run, 1 ball away from winning the final. Then they had a really bad time. Again, not their fault. IPL being moved away from India again. They picked their team for that conditions, and they, as City said, I think very important was even after being down and out, they gained so much at the end of the last IPL. They were able to understand, okay, Rituraj and Faf is a good combination at the top. We can bank on it. We don't need to go into the auction and look for more. Uthappa, I don't know. I mean, now it seems like
Uthappa, I mean, it's ridiculous.
Yeah, it seems like a genius pick now. I mean,
deep freeze se nikal ke.
It seems like a genius pick now. I mean, Uthappa is a confidence player.
But it's always something with Dhoni and picking up some odd players and them clicking. So it's been since like long. Like
three finals out of 4 after 2 years of wilderness, and he's won one. I'm pretty sure CSK are going to be odds-on favorite to win this one also.
And they don't have any T20 superstars either.
Yeah, I mean, everyone's at the end of their career.
Who are at the top, they have some.
I think if you count the international players in their team currently, it's only Jadeja,
Sam Curran,
and Thakur.
And Sam Curran.
T20 format में देखोगे तो
No, overall, if you see,
Moeen Ali,
not many.
Moeen भी squad में नहीं है शायद T20 के.
Moeen Ali है.
होगा.
Moeen Ali तो है यार, vice captain.
Moeen Ali and Jadeja pretty much.
Yeah, so if you count out 1 or 2,
Hazelwood.
you remove that.
Hazelwood.
But Hazelwood is also is he there in the Australia squad? I don't think so.
Yeah.
हाँ, he's there.
3-4 ही लोग हैं. बाकी teams have more 7.
Yeah,
but they are not the big names you'll think like when you think of Australia.
They are not like AB de Villiers, Maxwell, Butler. So
I mean, if you compare the kind of resources, for example, even someone who's done really badly in last few years of IPL, like Rajasthan Royals, even them, they've already had Stokes, Butler, Jofra,
Samson को इस breath में मत लो.
But he was someone who was a part of international team for like 2-3.
Yeah, I mean, international Chennai में तो कुछ है नहीं, but I think it's वही है. धोनी की team है. He knows how to get the best out of his men, and time and again he keeps doing it. आज भी वही किया.
Yeah. Also, like people were asking, like I like the explanation which Dhoni gave today about why did they send Thakur ahead of Jadeja and whoever the batsman was remaining.
I think it was still a good move.
Because
the idea was good.
All explanations are wrong. I think
it didn't cost them anything.
Dhoni has been listening to our podcast, and once he heard Siddharth Trehan make that comment, the greatest ST10 striker, Dhoni is like, this is it.
It's the little things. मतलब जैसे Kohli type captains है, they don't really think about these little things like Dhoni does. कि 1-2 ball, if I send someone else, he might take 2 balls, even if he gets out before he tries to go, a proper batsman. Shardul has nothing to lose, nothing to do. पहले ball पे आके मारेगा. So
they lost nothing.
Those are the little things. I mean, he could have sent Jadeja up. He wanted to. If for example, I'm pretty sure if Kohli was captaining,
nobody thought it.
If Kohli was captaining, I'm pretty sure if he needed quick runs, Kohli would be thinking, okay, let's send Jadeja. So Jadeja को ऊपर भेजेगा. Yeah, Dan Christian who will then take 10 balls to think, okay, I can get in, I'm a batsman, and then get out.
And Dhoni's point was they are batting till 9. He was pretty confident on Chahar and
Chahar also,
because he told at that time the difference between balls and run were around 15 to 18 or around that much. So even if he gets 1 or 2 boundaries, even if he takes 2 or 3 balls, that difference comes down to 10 or 11, and that is a big gain for them because they had a plan to bat. They had a plan to exploit the last 4-5 overs and just send Thakur in. So that was a good.
Maybe
I
he
think-
was also thinking
So,
as
I mean,
Team India
Chennai-
mentor ki agar
and
batting
again
all
one more
rounder
thing
नहीं
for
है
one
India
more
के
thing
पास.
one more thing for all the nepotism and friendship allegations, he has dropped his best friend
Raina.
Suresh Raina.
Yes,
But he
uh,
is injured, correct? Or
No,
is
no, he
fit?
was
वो
fit.
बोलने
He
की
was
बात
fit
होती है.
today.
He's
He's
back fit.
fit, man. He's
बोलने की
been
बातें
dropped.
होती है. Every time big player gets dropped. Mumbai ने last season बोला था Yuvraj is injured after 2 matches. देखा.
My point
बोलने की
is,
बात
I think,
So
I think,
just 1 second, Ashil.
Yeah,
So
sure.
yeah, he has actually dropped Raina. Raina's credit to him. He was the most.
Mr. IPL.
He was still cheering.
Mr.
up
IPL, I would
the
still call him
team
Mr.
and
IPL.
I think
he was
Rainer
so happy
last
jumping.
IPL, this one.
May or may not. I mean, he was definitely CSK will find a way to keep him into
2
the fray
crore का
and
ले ले.
do the best for him. वो तो करेंगे ही CSK वाले. But again, my point is कि
And
he's-
somehow he will still win them next year's final or something.
somehow he finds a way dropping his best friend Mr. IPL whatever, and then he gets Uthappa who eventually delivers in a big playoff. So yeah, that is why he's special. That's why he's the greatest limited overs captain the game has ever
I think
seen.
like
So,
that is his greatness,
Correct.
like making the most out of limited resources. There are
Yeah.
other captains who have literally one of the greatest
Everything.
won the World Cup
greatest
with
T20
Munaf
squad
Patel and
ever.
Ashish
Gale,
Mehra and
Rahul, De Villiers,
Shrikant is
himself, Kane
pace
Watson,
trio.
all IPL legends.
So,
उनसे भी हार जाते हैं.
no, I think,
अंकल आर्मी से जीत जाते हैं.
I think one point here I would like to bring is that this is like, if you look at IPL as a whole tournament since its inception, we've had like two dominant schools of thought, like in terms of team strategies. One is, I think, the Mumbai Indians thought, where they have specialist explosive batsmen and specialist explosive bowlers. Like Pandya and Pollard are the two all-rounders, but they have like, people who are batting really well and people who are bowling really well. And on the other hand, you have a CSK side, Dhoni, which has got
Pandya has
more of
been
all-rounders,
batsman.
yeah, like Dhoni's teams always have been like, he has batsmen who can bowl a bit, bowlers who can bat a bit. He always likes to have that options that if someone has an off day, who can I get that over out of?
That's
Who I
a-
can
I think
get
that
the-
we are also seeing in Indian cricket, like pehle we used to have Raina, Yuvraj, who could bowl.
Even Sachin, Sehwag bowled. All of them
Sachin,
bowled.
everybody.
Dhoni
We
delivered a
always
World
had
Cup for
bowler.
us.
अब सारे
or-
specialists हो गए हैं. And
Actually,
पहले bowlers
हाँ.
could hold a bat, Harbhajan could bat, Zahir could hold a bat.
Kumble ki
हाँ,
century
so
thing.
Zahir has a 72 in Test
हाँ.
cricket.
Exactly.
Ashwin भी था, Harbhajan, like
Now
I mean,
we are
yeah,
at a stage where it's not happening. So I think that's credit to Dhoni. And like Malay said, he brings out the most of limited resources. I mean, this time it's Uthappa delivering this knockout blow out of nowhere. The season where they lost IPL by 1 run was Shane Watson. He
Watson
literally
doing
carried
nothing
Shane
all
Watson.
13 games Watson did not 13 नहीं मतलब कितने भी he
Watson
didn't
ने
drop
बोला
it.
भी था, in my previous franchise I would have been dropped by now.
Yeah, and then
Previous
semi-finals
franchise was
126.
RCB. Just if anyone has forgotten.
He named RCB also.
Yeah. So that's pretty much good. But so Ishwar, I remember you said drop Faf. So will you drop Faf in finals? Like,
I have
what do you
never
think?
said. To be clear, I have never said drop Faf. It was just for fun.
Oh,
I have
Ole-esque,
said
boy,
Robin
that is
Uthappa-
Ole-esque.
I-
That is
I said
Ole
Robin
level, brother,
Uthappa
Ole
should
level.
play. No, I said Robin Uthappa should play. अगर
अच्छा,
करना है तो
अच्छा.
Faf भी drop कर लो. Like this I said.
So
I would like to hear your thoughts on Ashwin. Ishwar. Like he is bowling 2-1-2. Last match he bowled 1 over. This match he bowled 2.
He was bowling
Seems like
seam
he
up
can't
today,
bowl to
Ishwar.
right-handers.
He was
And
bowling
simple
seam up
cheese.
How
today,
does it
Ishwar.
like he's
Simple
basically
cheese.
Delhi's sixth bowler now? That 5 specialists other than Ashwin. And what do you think is happening with him? And what do you think like
If
that impacts India's
if-
World
if,
T20 selection? Because
if
he is-
Ripple Patel or Stoinis bowls, then he's 7th.
हाँ, Ripple Patel last match में 3 over डाला spinning.
There's
हाँ.
only one simple reason behind this one. He's not bowling off spin. He's an off spinner.
But he
How many
pretends to be
options?
such a genius
Sunil
and
Alva.
such a big understanding of the game and all that.
That's
Should
I
be
don't
very
Engineering
know.
basic.
college
He
failed
might
degree
just-
है.
he might be thinking a lot, so that's what overthinking does to you.
I'm like,
He needs
and
to
he
keep
picked
things
in the
simple.
World T20 as an off spinner. Like pretty much the reason that's been given for picking him. is
Arey,
he
don't
bowls off
go on
spin.
our selections, brother. We have Maverick captain and a legend. Yes.
Now and then I
Anyways,
look
looking
at
for
now
logic
and
where
then
none
I-
exists.
But
needs to
but who
keep
do
it
you
simple.
think bats number 3 in finals? Will Robin Uthappa keep this place or
I
will they
think
go
As
back to
Dhoni
Moeen
said-
Ali?
Dhoni
No,
said it, I
as
think.
Dhoni said, he
Dhoni said it
left to
depends
to
on the
God.
situation.
He left
it's
it to
open
God.
between Moeen and Robin.
I guess they will
based on the
depend,
wicket.
it will depend on the bowlers also. If
हाँ.
they
I
have
even
like,
think even
Opponent.
Thakur is in
But-
contention.
स्पिनर से
Dhoni
तो
has-
रॉबिन उतप्पा आएगा स्पिनर से तो रॉबिन उतप्पा
Also
I think off
never
spinner now
forget
तो फिर
that
मोइन आ जाएगा. Off spinners नहीं. हो
never
तो
forget
like
that,
अमन हुआ तो ठाकुर भी आ सकता है भाई. I'm just
हाँ,
saying. It's
never
Dhoni.
forget that Shardul Thakur has been Dhoni's
धोनी भी
gift
आ सकता है. धोनी
to
promoting
Indian
him
cricket.
Chahar,
to the final
I
has
think he's even
happened
sent
before.
Chahar once. No, Chahar was sent one down
Chahar
once and
4 पे आया था,
scored
I
a
think
50.
2018.
4 पे
50
4
मारी
पे
थी
आया
उसने.
था. हाँ, he scored runs
Punjab के
also.
against.
He scored.
Chahar came at 4, Harbhajan came at 5 that match and they won. They were 24 for 3 and then they won.
But one good
I
thing
watched
that
it live in stadium.
pitches are in the last few games, pitches are looking better, and it's a good sign for
Why?
the
Why
T20
do you
World
think
Cup.
high scoring pitches are better? I even like low scoring
No,
matches. They're equally fun.
I don't
मतलब
mind low scoring,
हर
but that is
मैच
very
में नहीं
slow.
अच्छा लगता है ऐसा होता.
मजा नहीं
the-
आता वो.
The wickets at the
Sluggish
Sluggish
start,
सा
yeah.
game.
Should be mixed.
The
वो
wickets in the
अब
150
आज
start
एक
were.
तो अच्छे मैच आ गए. अब नेक्स्ट शारजा में लो.
मुझे लग रहा है अभी इन्होंने T20 World Cup की pitches निकाली हैं. I think this is how it's going to play in the T20 World Cup.
नहीं अरे you watch tomorrow's KKR RCB game or low scoring
कल
affair
स्लो होगा
thriller.
शारजा में.
KKR made
Okay.
170 in Sharjah though. I mean,
Now,
अरे
बहुत ही
RCB
मुश्किल
पहले
से.
बैटिंग
That was
करेगा ना
extraordinary
सर.
batting. RR को देखा उसके बाद.
now,
हाँ, वो तो
150,
है.
150, 160 pitches must ideal है. 150,
हाँ,
now, if
that-
we are talking about KKR
No.
RCB, today's match was pretty good, and it was a close affair. Like, I think it could have gone either way, but in the end, that Dhoni madness sealed it out for CSK, and now they are outright favorites to win this IPL. So let's talk about tomorrow's big eliminator match at Sharjah between RCB and KKR. So we'll start with Darshil. Darshil, how confident are you that Virat Kohli will yet again bottle another playoff or a knockout match?
See, I'm mentally preparing myself to say things that are positive, but internally I am.
to Sandeep Sharma. इस बार कौन लेगा? प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा.
No, Varun
कृष्णा को तो
Chakravarti
खुद
है ना
बहुत
उसका.
रेट करता है.
Varun
Kohli.
Chakravarti है ना.
I think no. Virat Kohli will go out to Nitish Rana. I think probably that's given Virat
But
Kohli's
Nitish
form
Rana तो
and
बड़ा
fortunes.
लेट बॉलिंग करता था, तब तक थोड़ा ठीक था.
पता नहीं भाई. I mean, Virat Kohli will find a way. It's
No, but keeping jokes aside, I think RCB has looked pretty good. Like one of the other batsmen is stepping up. Last
KS
game,
Bharat.
you see Maxwell or KS Bharat or
Even ABD
Padikkal
got a
or
few runs. That was
ABD, yeah.
nice.
So those top 4, 5, one of the batsmen is always performing well. The collective effort has not been great so far. I would say I have not seen a consistent batting performance from RCB. It has been only 1 or 2 people who are chipping
Correct,
runs on
correct.
their given day. It's not been like
So, I think it's
watching
kind of
teams
similar-
which live on moments of individual brilliance.
So
That
like
is that,
Ole-esque,
but that is
Ole-esque.
Kohli's mantra anyway, right? I mean, his teams win when individuals win him matches. That's India के साथ भी यही
Last
होता
3-4
है.
years it was De Villiers, now it's Maxwell.
इंडिया के
Yeah,
साथ
it
भी
is
यही होता
Ole-esque.
है. इंडिया
Correct,
के साथ
correct,
रोहित
correct.
चल गया तो
Rohit
इंडिया जीत गई.
हाँ,
कोहली चल गया तो इंडिया जीत गई. चहल ने
So
बॉलिंग
this
कर दी.
खाली इस
बुमराह ने ले
side
लिए.
is the only difference I see this this time around is that he has backed a couple of players like KS Bharat. Normally, I wouldn't expect him to have this entire run that he has got, and
He
thankfully
got-
he got a good century last time around. So I think that's good. And as a bowling unit, we have also, backed Garton, who's a left armer, brings in variety. Chahal has been magical in the second half of the tournament, and Harshal
Magical,
Patel, I
but
don't know.
going back to home after this.
Yeah,
IPL.
because Kohli is the captain
Ordering
of ICT
speed
also.
gun from Amazon to watch World Cup.
Who
while
were the
while
four
the
foreigners played
speedster
last time for
Garton.
RCB?
Gardner, Christian,
Gardner is West
पानी ला रहे
Indies.
पीयूष चावला के लिए.
De Villiers,
Gardner?
or
Gardner?
Maxwell. These four.
Maxwell.
That guy who won the man of the match in CPL final or something.
Dominic Ricks वो चेन्नई में.
That is
वो Dominic Drakes है. वो तो अभी
वो तो
चेन्नई में
Drakes है.
आएगा. He's not playing
हाँ.
yet. I don't think
Yeah,
they'll
so-
play him. अब तो एक
So wait,
He's already
tomorrow,
there.
bhai, I think ideally, if
हाँ.
RCB bat first, I think they are in a better chance. I don't expect them to chase down a score against KKR.
RCB
with
batted
Lockheed.
first last eliminator also didn't know that.
भाई मतलब see, at
अचानक
this
से
point,
कोहली
it's
को-
difficult to guess what will work for RCB.
Epiphany हुआ था
one
last time
person who is
कि
going
I should
unnoticed
open.
is
हाँ,
Siraj. I think Siraj
हाँ.
has bowled very, very well in
Yeah,
the IPL. Like I didn't rate him as a white ball bowler before. He
he has transformed.
yeah, he was I would say like once you look 2 seasons back or a season back, you would rate Saini much ahead of Siraj in white ball cricket.
Now
but
Siraj
now
is bowling like even in
Yeah.
the depth he's been good.
I think
He's
his
not taking
economy has
it, but
been-
he's bowling good ball.
he has been
Like,
economy
as
has
you are
around
correct.
6.38 or something. Jamison is not playing, correct?
Yeah,
He's
Jameson.
been-
That's Garton has come in for Jameson.
They dropped
that's very good.
Jamison to get
Could be
Gardner.
either of them this game. Garton is not impressed.
and even Dan Christmas.
Smart.
उसको तो खिलाएंगे लकी
Most consistent batsman in IPL.
And Purple Patel.
Yeah, Harshal Patel is bizarrely. I mean, he's developed his bag of slower tricks. He backs them. He's
तो
bowling
भाई
really
पता
well.
नहीं गुजराती डीजे
But
ब्रावो बन गया।
I cannot wait for Harshal Patel to get his India debut and go for 60 in 4-5.
4 overs.
Natka 2.0.
4 overs.
Okay, let's move.
100% Unadkat 2.0.
Let's move to our biggest core bowler, wo Jitbo fan, Malay. Like KKR has
fan.
been surprisingly very consistent. Their batting, I believe their batting has won them the matches, like a lot of them,
Yeah.
because Gill, Venkatesh Iyer, and Rahul Tripathi. But apart from these three, if they go out early tomorrow, do you think KKR have a good enough batting lineup to
Nah.
stabilize that score, or are they too dependent on top three to give them the start?
See, in the first half of or last year or first half of this IPL, the problem was again top se run nahi aa rahe the. Now they found Iyer somehow. I don't know how, but they found him, and now they are giving runs. But if you look at KKR's middle order, Morgan chalo out of form, but got into a bit of form last game. Karthik has been so good finishing. I mean, I think he plays with so much confidence now after his, I think, commentary stint and all those things has really
Even
helped him
last season
grow.
he
With,
was good whenever he came as a finisher. I don't know.
Yes.
Last season they were trying.
but
to
this
put
time
him
they're
as a
doing it.
3,
They're doing
4,
so
5.
well
That was
to.
not working.
Yeah, this
But
time
जब
they're
वो
doing,
end में आता है, it's really impressive.
this time they're doing it so well to put Karthik into those situations where he has 20-30 balls left and he has to just go and come
Please
and dash.
paraphrase it. They're putting Karthik in situations where he doesn't have to use his own brain. The scoreboard is doing it for him.
Yeah, and then there is
And
Nitish Rana
Rana.
who's been pretty good too. But I think where our strength tomorrow is going to be is those 12 overs. Shakib 4, Varun Chakravarti 4,
Shakib
and
might
Narayan
not
4.
play. I think Bangladesh
Russell.
का match है.
If KKR drops Shakib, it is going to incur the entire
Bangladesh World
juju
Cup
of
match is on the
Bangladesh.
17th. So Shakib might has to go
See,
for
if
Bangladesh.
Shakib is dropped, entire KKR team will get the juju of Bangladesh fans.
No, I
so I
think
would
Andrew
advise
Russell is
against
fit.
it.
No,
If
I
if
and उनका
Russell is
match,
fit,
World Cup
obviously
match है.
he
उनका
comes
World Cup
back.
camp कल से start
Why are
होता
you
है.
having Narayan then?
No, Narayan has been a sensation, man. I mean, I think either he's
Bowling.
chucking again or I don't know what's going on. But
कर रहा है.
he's
अभी
back
World
to
Cup नहीं खेलना, उधर बैन हो जाएगा. इधर कर लो जो करना.
he's back to under 6 economy, bowling confidently, and even
So-
Varun Chakravarti has
So
been,
do you
has been
mean?
sensational.
So are you telling this? Are you telling this that tomorrow if KKR is batting and then Narayan comes opening, then he is going to hit another 50?
I think they
Against
should.
RCB.
RCB actually don't have the kind of bowlers that usually Narayan struggles against.
Yeah, I think they
Harshal Patel
can,
जैसा को वो मार देगा.
but they will not. I don't think they will
Yeah, I
mess with
don't-
the top 3 anyway now.
You
Top
never
4
know
in
with
fact.
McCallum and Morgan. Both of them can.
I think Tripathi has been their
Harshal Patel
best
full toss पे ले लेगा
batsman.
Narayan.
People were like,
Tripathi
we
has
have
been really
we have
impressive.
really inexperienced top 2. Rana and Gill can't do anything, and now what they've done is they've
Tripathi.
got an inexperienced top 4. They got Gill,
Yeah,
Iyer,
yeah.
Rana, Tripathi.
But Gill is not inexperienced, I would say. He played entire last
T20 he is.
Relatively
Gill is
तो
not.
है.
Hey, Gill is not an experience.
Rana
I mean, you have-
also. Rana is
you
not
play-
inexperienced in
हाँ,
IPL.
you-
Matlab, they are
मतलब
not
I-
experienced at the
International level batsman.
Yeah,
है
they
ना,
have not
usually
played at the
एक तो
international
होते हैं
level.
international
Come on, yeah.
top
If you have
level.
made a boxing day debut in Australia against the West Australian attack
वो
and
तो
scored
Prithvi Shaw ने
But
90s,
you have
किया था.
usually limited overs.
90 भी
international
मारे थे
batsmen
उसने.
like
No,
बड़े
but
batsmen.
I think that is what I'm
Yeah,
telling. Like those youngsters are not afraid because of how the domestic structure of India has evolved.
No.
In
no.
the years-
I think it's more
It's
more
just
than
down to the
McCallum.
franchise. I think McCallum has asked them
First
to.
half में जैसे नहीं था, McCallum said I have given them all the freedom.
हाँ.
I don't know why it's not coming off, but
अरे
he
तब
has
तक
told-
T20 I'm telling you why it was not. तब तक
हाँ.
World Cup का squad नहीं था. They had a chance to come into the World Cup, and that's why they were playing in a certain way. All of these guys, Gill, Tripathi.
Remember, I
Rana.
think 2019 World Cup के time था कि Shubman Gill used to come at 6 every
And
game.
Dinesh Karthik used to come, and Dinesh Karthik used to make slow runs.
World
and-
Cup squad announce था, अगले दिन Gill opening करना शुरू हो
and
गया.
Dinesh Karthik. So it obviously plays on their mind. I mean, I still remember it was one day before the selection day, and Dinesh Karthik had come much ahead of Gill. He was captain by that time, and he
Next
scored runs
game.
and got selected in the World
But
Cup
I'm
squad.
very much impressed with Gill. Like I think he can be
Hmm.
our one batsman who can play all 3 formats.
Yep.
Not now, but I
and
think.
be a TikTok star.
But in the
वो तो
future, I
Prithvi
believe.
Shaw
Like,
number
He
1.
still needs to work on his T20 game a bit.
no, it's not. But I have been
T20
pretty.
I think Shaw, Jaiswal,
Yeah, I think
Gaikwad
by
was
the
the
time
most- But
Gill's
he's still okay.
time in T20 comes, India would have also understood the correct way of playing T20. And if that happens, I don't see Gill being part of the Indian setup. I mean, it's more
But-
suited towards Ishan
Ishan.
Kishan type of players. Yeah, correct.
No,
Yashasvi Jaiswal.
Gaikwad. No,
Guy-
but if you
Gaikwad.
compare Gaikwad and Gill, I see a lot of similarity because they both play traditional shot. They don't just come slot or slog or something.
Gaikwad has shown that acceleration after like
Hmm.
when he gets set
And
up in
Gaikwad
has
the
Gill
range.
has not
And
really shown
Gaikwad
that.
doesn't play a lot of dot balls. Gill plays a lot of dot balls.
Yeah.
Like Gaikwad
has
जैसे
a
Mumbai के
multiple
against or
But-
that
but I
100, or
think-
even today after
I
he
think
gets
he
set,
will get a
he
chance.
Yeah, Gill
he
gives
will
a
get a
father-in-law
chance, for
tribute
sure.
every now and then, gets out in the 90s. Gaikwad does not make century. So
but
But
I'm
कल match अच्छा होगा, but I think.
yeah. So
इतना
yeah.
उम्मीद लेके बैठे होते हैं यार.
so let's
नहीं,
hear
नहीं,
from the
I-
neutral. Sid,
I
who
am
do you
तो
think our
I don't
favorites
care
tomorrow?
now. लखनऊ का team आ
KKR
रहा
और
है भाई.
RCB
This
at
is-
योगी के
Sharjah.
योद्धा.
Lucknow
This is
to
last
make
time for KKR, one last try. But and anyway, just one more thing. I have been very. This has been the most fun I have had watching KKR since 2014, especially that Mumbai Indians match, which was the first match after the restart, and the way they
Piyush.
belted
That's
Bumrah.
not
and,
your
Silent tears by
92
Piyush.
all out वो भूल गए.
Piyush,
92 all out तो
Any
चलो RCB के
comments?
साथ तो 49 भी किया है. That's a different
कितना
thing. But
usual fair हो चुका है.
but we hadn't beaten MI for, I don't know.
Any
Piyush will know that.
comments?
Piyush, how many?
11 to
They have
11
belted
to-
Bumrah. They have belted
But
Bumrah.
Piyush, on a serious note,
Yeah,
before we go,
so-
any comments from you on what should Mumbai be doing coming for the next season? Like they have,
They
I
can't
think
do
for
anything.
after a long time they are not
I
in the
think-
playoffs as well, right?
Mega
I
auction,
think
they
I think
can't do
Mumbai
anything.
are
170.
will be the side who will be the most affected by the mega auction because it depends on how
Hmm.
many retentions and how many.
Fifth place team को ज़्यादा effect होगा, top one को नहीं होगा.
No, but I don't care. Like even if that
Hmm.
finished 8, I would have still retained the same core because you won't get a better core. Like, that's the reality. Like
If you
Winning-
can't get, but there are 4 better
When
courses.
they're losing, yeah.
I don't care. I
साल तो
don't
4 better दिख गए मेरे को.
I don't mind, but I think Mumbai will stick to if there are 2 retentions allowed. I think it will be Rohit and Bumrah who will be
100%
retained.
no thoughts. Or
No
वो तो
second.
पक्का है.
Those two are
And
certain.
RTM
Third
will be
one
Sky.
is nothing.
RTM will
there
be
is no
Sky.
RTM. I
RTM
think.
There is no RTO.
So that is all if and
Abhi-
buts when we get to know. But I think Mumbai the management is pretty good and I have a full belief that whatever they do will be correct because they do
They
a
get them
planning
fast.
they do a planning in a different way and not like everyone else. Like I don't remember who told in a dugout or somewhere Zahir Khan or Irfan Pathan, I don't remember. He told that a Mumbai team does the most amount of mock auctions and they don't go behind the players everyone is going towards. So
Their scouting network is also very extensive.
Yeah.
How many
Yeah,
how many how
and
many
that
games
even
did
Piyush has
that
relied upon.
did that guy, what was his name, Marco Jansen, who was scouted?
Jensen,
How many
Two.
games did he play?
he played 4 games.
I mean, they also have the most financial resources, so they can scout year long.
Exactly,
And
yeah.
Punjab just
They even have a scouting program for umpires. They identify which umpires can.
Yeah,
a
From grassroots, they can
let's,
train.
let's not talk about the teams who are not there. Let's talk about the teams who are there for one last day tomorrow, whether it will be RCB or KKR. Let's hear thoughts from the DC fan. Who would you want to avoid playing in that qualifier too?
Who would I want to avoid? I would
Avoid,
definitely
yeah.
I would definitely want to avoid playing KKR, especially on Sharjah. I think Varun and Narayan on Sharjah will be much trickier than
City
RCB.
repping Varun.
No, even
मतलब just
Loki
full
and
track पे तो कोई भी spinner चल जाता है ना. So, like
Ashwin नहीं
RCB
चलेगा
has-
लेकिन
वही issue है. And
Spin नहीं
RCB
करा
are anyway a 10-man team in playoffs. एक बंदा तो useless है. So I would rather, and KKR also have that experienced captain like Morgan has the experience of winning big trophies.
Yep.
RCB
Okay,
don't have the
okay.
captain with
2-5 to
I would-
5-2, man. And after losing Pat Cummins, losing Russell for half the second leg, you have
And
to give
Russell
credit.
could be back too. I think like
But losing Cummins
definitely
was not a
think
big
so.
deal, I believe. Like they got Loki for
I think that actually helped them. वैसे Loki
I mean, you can say that.
I think that
But
is when NCB should have
Still-
investigated
see
Aryan
the
Khan.
whole,
that is still your 15 crore.
whole thing
gone,
is
so-
if
Yeah.
Cummins was available, no way he's getting benched because you spent what 15 crore or whatever.
That was the day NCB should have raided Aryan Khan's house. Okay.
But
15 crores for Cummins.
So City wants to
I
take a
think,
revenge of that.
and I think like
last
बाकी
ball
भी
six.
RCB के I think playoffs में are not that dangerous. Particle has not looked as good. Kohli का less said, the better. Maxwell is like, he's always like, कभी भी fail हो सकता है. And even I think 2014 playoffs में, for Punjab he didn't do well.
But I think
Even
Maxwell is,
the
I think
playoff.
from RCB's perspective, I think Maxwell has been doing really well, and even ABD found
He
form in
has
the last
been,
game.
but like, I'm not sure if he can continue that when like pressure's on in a knockout.
Sixth,
He didn't
50th.
do it the last time. He had a great season and waited. De Villiers,
Big
I think,
point is
also-
big point is ABD is due.
Exactly, that's what I
That's
feel.
that's my
That I'm
only
completely about.
worry before the RCB KKR game. AB de Villiers is due for a long time. I
Showed
hope
signs
so.
last
Kohli
time.
keeps sending him
I
at
hope
6
this.
below
I
10
do. I
Christian
hope they
and,
send him at
all those
6-7
things.
and he doesn't
But
get to
but a
bat
record
too many
RCB has won all the games in Sharjah this season, I believe. I am not sure if that is.
And
the-
RC and ABD in Sharjah is a
And, like, I
tremendous
think
record, I think. ABD has
KKR
a
bowling is
tremendous
also more
record in
dangerous
Sharjah.
than RCB is. Like, if Russell is fit and Russell and Ferguson are two of the best pace bowlers, RCB's bowling attack doesn't scare me as much. Even though we have lost both games against them, as we saw today, that doesn't matter when it comes to knockouts.
The game RCB won at Sharjah was against Punjab. That's where they bottled it after Mayank had given them 57 from 42,
No, not
chasing
this season.
160 odd. This
I was
season
talking
only.
about last season. No, I'm talking about last season. ABD
season
from
एक
So
तो
last
Sharjah
season
was
का Sharjah
outstanding.
तो was different ना मतलब you
Yeah.
can't compare now because last season तो it was where Sanju Samson was
Sharjah, yeah.
Tewati
So, yeah,
He was Samson Sharjah.
yeah, that's the only game that that RCB have played at Sharjah. They've only played one game there and they won that. No, they played one more and Chennai won that. So they've not won all. So they've played two
So-
games there, Chennai
And एक तो मतलब, yeah, that also Punjab should have won. They
but
were-
Punjab should have won. They bottled it. मतलब they needed I think what
KLR true Kohli protege.
हाँ वही game था जिसमें
but it
KL
will
Rahul
be a
had made
close. It will
run
be a
a ball
close game
39.
tomorrow, I believe. It won't be a one-sided.
It will be close, but why?
But
I
let's
would-
see who. So let's get the final prediction. Who do you fancy will face CSK in the finals, Darshil, before we wrap the today's episode?
RCB. An optimist RCB. Just because of Maxwell. I think no one else. Just I think Maxwell is in scintillating form. And I think he'll continue. And same with ABD. He's due a couple of big knocks.
So you are backing RCB to win two back-to-back playoff matches.
Yeah. I don't expect him to win the finals, but I expect him to win the next 2 years.
Malay, your predictions?
Heart says KKR, mind says Delhi.
Okay, Ishwar, who do you want to face in the finals?
I would like to face RCB.
Don't
but I
say
think
you.
we would
Ishwar
be
is not a
facing
proper
KKR.
CSK fan. He just for our viewers, when Dhoni was sent in, Ishwar was telling us how pathetic the decision is and why hasn't Jadeja been sent and all of those kind of things. He of course wanted Faf dropped earlier.
Oh.
And he thinks Ashwin is a good spinner and for Chennai.
Come on, Ashwin is a good spinner.
Anyways.
Just not for T20s.
Good T20
Anyways.
spinner.
Anyways, we would want to face RCB, but I think we are going to face KKR.
Sid, what do you think? DC
think
making to
Delhi.
finals or not?
Yeah, I think Delhi will beat whoever wins it. I would prefer if RCB win tomorrow, but I think KKR will win tomorrow. Delhi will.
So, yeah. Last 5 days of IPL before the mega tournament begins, which is
What
like-
are we going to do on reverse sweep for the World Cup, Piyush?
So
Group
it
by
depends
group.
on if India loses on 24th, you won't see us. So it
वो
depends
तो
on
नहीं होता
24th.
यार. Indian
नहीं. If
India
we lose
under
against
19 भी भेज दे पाकिस्तान पर आ देते हैं.
No, but if there is one captain who can get that
Can-
record broken,
But Malay,
यही
in
बंदा-
all fairness, T20 more records. I think it's in the 50.
T20
T20 में
में
भी
भी है,
T20 में
never
भी
lost
T20 में भी
है.
World
बस
Cup,
चैंपियंस
across any World
चैंपियंस
Cup.
ट्रॉफी में नहीं है बस चैंपियंस
हाँ,
ट्रॉफी में हारे हैं
T20
Final
Cup
में
में
हारे
नहीं
हैं।
हारे
50 ओवर में 7-0 है.
अंडर 19 T20 50 ओवर तीनों में we have never lost to them in the World Cup.
In World Cup, we have played
Yeah, one
Pakistan
person
only two
can-
times.
कभी ना कभी तो
Both in
हारना
2007.
चाहिए।
हाँ.
In T20 World Cup, we have faced them only two times, both in 2007.
2016 में भी फेस किया है.
नहीं.
ईडन गार्डन्स में जीते थे.
अरे
Oh,
किया
हाँ,
है ना
Eden Gardens. हाँ, हाँ,
वो,
sorry.
Mohammad
3-0.
Amir was bowling
Yeah, yeah, 3-0.
fireballs and
But
Kohli
whatever.
played a
विराट कोहली
But
Slow
T20
down.
World Cup will be
Mohammad
very
Sami was
interesting, I believe. Let's hope.
yeah, I think now it's very interesting. I think World Cup will be very interesting.
IPL has sold us an appetizer.
Yeah, don't think we're going to win the World Cup. Now that we've seen IPL, who do you guys think will win the World Cup? Just before we close, Piyush, if you want to ask that.
You have already asked. I would say I would say it's a close call between heart says India, but mind says I don't know, but I have a strange feeling that Australia might win it.
Australia, wow.
Out of nowhere.
I just have a strange feeling. I don't know.
I think you were saying something. Continue. Want to continue, Piyush?
No, I'm say heart wants India, but I think Australia might win.
I think-
Australia, interesting.
My money is on India or England. Very straightforward.
Not England. England are not winning. West Indies are more like
I think West Indies have a better chance because they have the type of hitters on the surface also. But yeah, other close contenders are India and England are the normal. They are anyways the contenders.
City will say Canada, I believe.
I think like India, I don't think will come close to winning. I think it's between the three Group A teams, England, Australia, West Indies. I think like I also have a strange feeling Australia will outperform their expectations. I think win probably West Indies. That's the best
Yep.
score.
So let's see.
My last prediction.
Guys, that's it from today's episode. Hoping for a cracker game tomorrow and then hopefully finals. And I think we'll see you guys after the finals now. And then we'll do an early review of the India T20 squad and how our fixture looks like after the IPL finals. So
Will our squad change before the World Cup
today
now?
was the last date. 20th.
Oh.
No,
Oh,
apparently
okay.
it can change till 15th. Like India will make a call after the IPL
This is
final.
Only
Not-
Pakistan has changed, right?
They have
Malik
got
is
Sri
some-
Lanka has also
Shoaib Malik.
Afghanistan
Shoaib
Shoaib
has
Malik
also
is back.
Shoaib
India
Malik.
has
One
also-
constant.
Damat ji aa gaye hain.
Why
But
you
yeah,
guys don't rate
Malik
Shoaib Malik?
debuted in international
I
cricket
rate
before
Shoaib Malik.
was
I rate
born.
Shoaib Malik.
Shoaib Malik
1999.
has scored so many runs
I was
against us.
not even born when he made his debut.
You are born after
I was
1999.
born in
averaging
1999.
Let's keep this content, special content for our preview of T20 World Cup. So that
पहले
was a
बता
बताओ
रहे
trailer.
हैं।
यार आरसीबी आईपीएल जीती मैं नहीं दिखूंगा तुम्हें दो
शोएब
चार
मलिक
महीने
का तो
आरसीबी जीती मैं नहीं दिखने वाला
Yeah, so guys, that was it from our side. Do like, share, subscribe our channel and comment what are your reviews. And yeah, do follow Piyush Nathani on Twitter. Piyush AFC. Yeah.
Personal
Great Arsenal
plugs.
contact.
So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys. See you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Hey guys.